sensibility and practicality define the 2014 Jeep Patriot. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Jeep prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by an outside temperature display, front fog lights, and much more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.